Hello everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. This is tutorial number 6, Factor of Safety in PLAXIS, which is based on Shear Strength Reduction method approach. So in this lecture we will learn how factor of safety or safety analysis is performed in PLAXIS software. And also we will understand how factor of safety is calculated in shear strength reduction method. So if you remember in some previous lecture when we talked about the limit equilibrium method, we explained that in limit equilibrium method the failure surface is assumed, and according to this failure surface we calculate the factor of safety, which is equal the resistance force divided by the driving force of this soil wedge. But in PLAXIS it is based on shear strength reduction method, which is a different approach, and we don't need to pre-assume any failure surface. So the definition of the factor of safety is equal the resistance force or shear strength of the soil at this specific failure surface divided by the driving force that causes the sliding. When factor of safety greater than 1, it means slope is stable. But when factor of safety equal 1, it means slope is just stable. It means it's on a verge of a failure. But when the factor of safety is less than 1, it means this slope is not stable. For most practical situation or most practice codes, the minimum factor of safety or the required minimum factor of safety is greater than 1.5 or maybe 1.3 to 1.5. So this definition of factor of safety is according to limit equilibrium method, which we explained in previous. However, the PLAXIS is based on this method, which is called strength reduction method, and this is a different approach from the limit equilibrium method. So in this approach the safety factor is calculated using this strength reduction method, and in this method the original shear strength parameters of the soil, which is internal friction angle and cohesion, is gradually reduces until the failure of the slope occurs. So the factor of safety is equal the original shear strength parameters divided by reduced shear strength parameter at failure, and in this way the factor of safety is calculated. So in PLAXIS we don't need to pre-assume any failure surface, and after performing the safety analysis we can see this failure surface, which gives the minimum factor of safety for this slope. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. See you in the next tutorial.